Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our video tutorial series. In today's session, we're diving into an essential aspect, setting up the front-end interface and establishing a seamless connection to our database. This step is crucial in ensuring a smooth and efficient interaction between the user interface and the underlying data storage. Let's embark on this journey together as we explore the intricacies of setting up the front end and establishing a robust database connection. First, open Microsoft Visual Studio. You can do this easily by locating it in your Start menu or by searching for it. Once launched, click on New Project to start a new project. Second, create a Visual Basic Windows Forms application. From the available templates, select Visual Basic and ensure that Windows Forms application is chosen. Third, select Project Destination. Click on the Browse button to specify where you want to save your project. Consider creating a dedicated folder within your Documents folder and name it after your project. Next, set project name, name your project and hit OK to create it. Add reference to ADO library. Go to the Project menu, choose Add Reference. Navigate to the Com tab and select Microsoft ActiveX Data Objects 2.8 library. Click OK. Adjust project properties under Project Name Properties. Select Compile from the left pane. Find and click Advanced Compile Options and set the target framework to .NET Framework 4. Confirm changes by clicking OK and then Yes. Add a module. Return to the Project menu, choose Add Module and click Add. Coding for database connection handling. Write the provided code. This code handles the connection to a database using ActiveX Data Objects, ADO. It manages the opening and closing of the database connection and record set to ensure proper interaction. Design the interface. Double-click the Form 1 from Project Explorer window. From the toolbox, add a button to the form. Double-click the button to access its code view. Coding for connection test. Write the provided code for the button. This code attempts to establish a database connection using the settings previously defined. Upon success, it displays a connected message box, indicating a successful connection. Lastly, testing the connection. Press the F5 key or the play button in the toolbar to test your application. Click on the button you added, and a message box should appear, confirming the successful connection between your front end and the SQL Server database. This walkthrough guides you through the setup process, code implementation, and testing to ensure a successful connection between your front-end interface and the SQL Server database. Coming up in our next video, creating new user accounts. Stay tuned as we dive into the process of adding fresh user accounts to your system. Don't miss out on learning how to expand your platform's user base effectively and securely.